Hello and welcome to Combo Fishing USA. I appreciate your continued support. I had planned to create a tutorial video on how setting up a double drop shot rig, but unfortunately encounter camera issue with blurry focus. I apologize for the inconvenience and will remind you about upcoming video. And thank you once again. Hope you enjoy the video.
He just lost this one. Got one. small. Take a picture. Hurry up. Hurry up. Good.
Okay, so turn over there. Okay, good. So I start do the same thing, let it sink to the bottom. Okay. Okay. Then I'm gonna start pick jig up way. Okay. And I pick it up like that. There's a lot of weed I can feel right now. See. I can go sideways like this, probably gonna a lot of snagging. I can zigzag it, but it's a lot of weight, so here again, they bite again, see that? They stop it, I think. Just one bite and then they spit it out, it disappears. A lot of weed here, guys. See? Fish on again, guys. Just told you. Oh, I lost it. See it? Whew. See, that's a problem, guys. When I have smaller hook, bigger hook, I don't have any success at all. So they hit me twice, that spot there. When I try to pull out from the weed, they go boom, boom. Okay, so right now I'm jigging again. I pull my bait up. Okay, because a lot of weight there, and I drop it like this. Shake, 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 jig, jig, jig. Same thing, okay. I can go zigzag like this, but it's a lot of weight, okay. I don't want the top bait to get stuck in the weed there. Here we go. See? Bite again. See it? Ooh. Ooh. Huh? They bite. This one go like crazy. Twice. You see that when they get dark, it starts active, the fish there, okay? So here we go. Here we go. Go. See it? See it? Here we go. Oh, see it? On top. Got him this time. I lost again. What the hell is that? Huh? Huh? Oh, took my bait. Huh? Oh god, I think we hit another pie, guys. Look at this. Look at that. Look, my bait gone now. See? Only like sometimes just one cast, one fish there. I don't understand. See? Way out in the middle of the reservoir. There's no fish there. Fish on. You see it when you run out of battery there. Oh God, so mad, guy. See that? Thank you. Oop. I think he's dead. Couldn't believe that. It's off. So the camera there is run out of battery and the fish biting. You see that? That's okay. So skinny you. Dang, not one bite, man. Shit. Fish on. What is that? Oh my God. Some more, man. See, guys. It's really hooked. Double rig. Yeah, look at it. I don't want to set a hook because I thought it was bluegill biting.
God damn. Oh, bowfin. Oh. Pa. Pike. Finally. Finally. On a small bluegill. Took like think it's time to go home now.
Let's go, head back, walk and look at it. These two. And they got one.
I missed like a million on this.
Yeah?
I got him good. Look, I got him double.
But his first pike. Today we got one pike, he got one, I got one. But he's on the bluegill, on the chili bait. And you see that fish?
I don't know if I can.
See the
Look,
line
see?
right on? Yeah? You just take it out of you.
Oh, I
Cut
got
the
him
line
to the
out.
eye.
Yeah?
Got him to the eye.
Cut the line. But I practically took him out because he unhooked it and let it go. See, it is not working today. You see that?
What?
Look. Just walk back.
Thank you guys for your support, and we'll catch you on next
Here,
video.
come here. You get it.
Do it.
Get it. It won't keep his mouth open.